Okay, I wanted to do a really quick video of the stuff that I got at Acme today. And I'm going to go through really quickly and tell you what I got and how much it was. I got this stuff here for $16. Everything that you see here. We don't have much room in the freezer, but I got some more DiGiorno pizza because Acme had a deal in their circular for this week that if you bought they had the DiGiorno pizza 2 for $10, and if you bought 2 DiGiorno pizzas or the California style pizza, then you would get one gallon of or 1 quart of Edy's ice cream, okay, for free. So what I did was with that deal is I got 2 of the buffalo style chicken DiGiorno pizzas, and I got the double fudge brownie Edy's ice cream. I used a $2 off of 2 DiGiorno pizza coupon, and so the pizza and the ice cream came out to be $8 altogether. Then with the ragu, they had a sale going on. It was on sale for $125, but if you bought 10, you save $5 instantly. So they ended up being 99 cents a piece. And so I had a $1 off of any 2 jars of ragu pasta sauce. And I used that. I used 5 of those, and so they ended up being 49 cents a piece. Now, the next thing I got was this the Tyson grilled oven roasted diced chicken breasts and the Tyson grilled and ready seasoned steak strips. And these are really good on solids. They're really good. Even if you look on the back, you can put the steak on top of rice and vegetables, and you can put the chicken and rice and pasta and different things like that. And this is really, really good. And they were on sale at Acme for 2 for $4. And then I had a 55 cents on 1 bag of any Tyson grilled and ready refrigerator product. Now these are refrigerated, so I can put these in the refrigerator. And so these doubled. This one doubled to $110. And so I only paid 90 cents for each bag of these, and they were on sale for $2 for $4, and they're usually $3.99 a piece. So I definitely got a good deal with that. Now, with the Aquafresh toothpaste, when I first started couponing, people used to say you should never pay for toothpaste, and I'm realizing that more and more now. At Acme last week, they had a 10 for 10 sale on the Aquafresh toothpaste. All different kinds, and every time I went to the Acme, they never had them, so I decided to get a rain check. I got a rain check, and I went back today, and they had them there. So when I got the rain check, they guaranteed me the sale price from last week, which was 10 for 10, and then I had a 75 cents off of any Aquafresh toothpaste, 4.0 or higher. 4.4 ounces or higher, and so that made that it doubled to $1 actually, because it was 75 cents, and it just doubled up to the $1 that it cost, because usually they double theirs to $1.50, but since this was only $1 and they don't give overages, it doubled up to $1, and this made all 10 of them completely free. Here I have 8 because my sister took 2, but that's fine because I have a bunch of other toothpaste, so those were completely free. So I have here everything that I bought from Acme today for $16, and they're great deals. So go out, get your deals. Happy couponing.